Hey everyone, I'm making a quick pepper sauce today and I thought you'd like to see. So I have some red habanero peppers here and these actually have a really strong kick of heat. I also have some orange ones here, and habaneros actually do have a few health benefits. They help to lower cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and the capsaicin in the peppers boosts metabolism and helps you lose weight. Next, I have some Serrano peppers or Serrano chilies, and these are used mainly in Mexican cooking. I love using these because they have a great balance of heat and flavor. And they're quite healthy also. They help with arthritis and they also boost immunity. Next, I have a little piece of turmeric root, and this is used a lot in Ayurvedic medicine, and Trinbagonians also use it a lot in their cooking. They use it in healthy teas or even as a facial scrub, and we call this saffron or hardi. The curcumin in turmeric provides potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits, but curcumin needs piperine from black pepper to be effectively absorbed in the body. So adding it to the pepper sauce will add some health benefits, but not as much as if you use it alongside black pepper. Next, I have a piece of ginger root. Ginger improves digestion, it has anti-inflammatory properties, and it's also a powerful immune booster. Here I have lemon. Lemon is high in vitamin C and it's another immune booster. Next, I have garlic. Garlic improves cholesterol levels, lowers blood pressure, and it boosts the immune system. And it's another potent anti-inflammatory. Lastly, I have some bandhania or shadow beni. This is also known as culantro or recao, and this is rich in calcium and iron, and it's also high in vitamin A. So now let's start making some pepper sauce. So the pepper sauce is ready. and it's actually not very hot. It has such a lovely balance of flavor and heat, so I think you'll enjoy it. Make sure you try it out if you have these ingredients at home. The only thing I forgot to mention is that for this amount of ingredients, I used about 1¼ cups of white distilled vinegar. So if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave me all your thoughts and your suggestions in the comment box below. Subscribe if you haven't already and hit that bell so you'll be notified of all the new videos. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy. Until next time, bye!